What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to play Sad by Hefa. This song was requested by Monoteo, so shout out to you. And guys, if you have any other requests, just leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll be sure to post it up in the near future. But for now, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And without further ado, let's get started. But first, as always, I'll take you guys through the rundown of the song. So again, I've just learnt this song, so bear with me. So here it goes. And that's pretty much it for the song. So yeah, let's go through the lesson. So guys, for this song, you don't need a capo, so that's good. So first of all, for the first chord, you're going to do a bar chord. So this chord is on the second fret. So on the second fret, so 1, 2. So you're going to cover that whole fret right there with your index finger, and you're going to place your middle finger on this string here, on the 5th string, and you place your ring finger on the string right here, so the 3rd string. So 1, 2, 3, and the strings that I'm going to pluck are bass, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So I'll just do that slowly for you guys. So this is just how I play it. So you can do some add-ons in there. So I let go of this finger right here. So I'll add this. It's kind of like a jab sort of. I'll show you what it sounds like. So did you see that? So then I let go. Then I jab it in. So boom. So. Then the next chord, again, I cover the 3rd fret, so right here. I'm going to place my ring finger on this string here, my pinky right underneath it on the same fret, and then your middle finger on this string right here. So it's going to sound like this. And I'm going to pluck these strings, so string 1, 3, 4, and 5. So just the same way of picking it as this one. Then the next chord, you're going to go to the 5th fret. So again, you're going to cover the whole fret with this finger, and then you're going to, if you can, use your middle finger here, ring and pinky all on the same fret, so all on that 1 fret right here. So, and the bass for this is this string right here. So what I do here is I pluck these 2 strings and I slide this over to get this sound. So and then the last chord for that song is this one right here, just a normal A. So 1, 2, and 3, all on the same fret. So again, the bass for this is this one here. You can add a little jab again with your pinky. So I'm gonna hit these 2 strings here, the 5th and the 4th. See that jab there? So like a boxer, so it's like a quick jab. So that's it. So you'll have you'll end up with this. So. There you have it, guys. Hefa Sad. That was my first time hearing that song, so shout out to Monoteo for requesting that. It's a pretty cool song, so I hope you guys enjoyed that song and that lesson. So if you guys have any other requests, let me know, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. And yeah, for now, stay blessed, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.